In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record and share a clip in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and go to your workspace. This is where you'll access the built-in clip feature and manage your recording from start to finish. Make sure you're in the correct workspace before moving on, especially if you use ClickUp for more than one team or project. Next, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click your personal avatar. This opens a menu with several account and productivity tools. Under Personal Tools, select Record a Clip. If you already know where your clips are stored, you can also access this feature from the Clips hub. Either option will take you to the recording tool. Once the clip tool is open, click Record a Clip to begin the setup process. At this stage, choose what you want to record, such as your screen. Depending on your browser or system settings, ClickUp may ask for permission to access your screen and microphone. If that happens, allow the necessary permissions so your recording can capture both the visuals and your voice clearly. It's a good idea to quickly check that the correct screen, window or tab is selected before you continue. After that, start recording and perform the actions you want to show in your video. ClickUp will record your screen along with your video and audio, which makes it useful for tutorials, walkthroughs and quick updates. As you record, try to move through each action at a steady pace so the final clip is easy for viewers to follow. When you're done, click the stop button to end the recording. ClickUp will then process the clip and save it automatically. Depending on the length of the recording, this may take a moment, so give it a few seconds to finish. Once your clip has been saved, open the Clips hub to view it. From there, select the clip you just recorded to open and play it back. This is a helpful moment to review your recording and make sure everything was captured the way you intended. If you're ready to send it to someone else, open the recorded clip and use the sharing option to copy the clip link. You can then share that link wherever needed so others can view the recording easily. Thanks for watching.